Now let me explain how to remove dark circles under your eyes with just one click. First, we open the app, as you can see here. Now, let's open the CapCut app. After that, we click here on this little arrow, carefully drop it down, and then select the option. Now after this, we carefully select the photos where you would like to remove those dark circles under your eyes for a fresh look. After that, we have these options, so let's take a closer look at them. Now we click on your selected photos to proceed with the editing process seamlessly. Now we carefully select this option here. Then we navigate to the face section. So what do we do next? First, we choose the first setting available for optimal results. We set it to maximum. After that, we carefully choose this option here. Here too, we adjust it to the maximum level. It already looks like the circles are gone, but if you have a subscription, you can click on this option for even better results. Now, as you can see here, if you follow these steps, those dark circles under your eyes will completely disappear. Use this method. That's it, everyone. Thank you all, good luck to you, and goodbye now.